Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set the time of your HW22 smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. This is just a very quick tutorial guys. I'll be just showing you on how to quickly set the time of your HW22 smartwatch. So as you can see in our watch, it's 1:31 p.m. while on our smartphone, it's 12:43 p.m. So for us to set this one guys, all we have to do is just download Wear Fit Pro application. Right? So it will look like this guys on your iPhone or your Android smartphone, and then let's tap on device, and from there let's click add device. Alright, and then it detected our HW22, so tap on that one, so it says they're pairing. Pair, carry out, allow, I know. Okay, so our time, it's just set automatically. Alright, so it's just very quick guys. This is just for the sake for those who don't know how to set the time. Okay, so once again guys, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.